How to fix sounds not available on Instagram Reels video after download. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix sounds not available on Instagram Reels even after you download them. So this is how you fix that. First, let us look at the problem. What the problem is whenever you edit a reel and you add music in the reel. So let me do that here. And after you edit a music in the reel and you download that very reel to your device, it will not get downloaded with the audio. So that is the problem actually. So what the problem is that whenever you download a video in your reels that you are editing and you download it on your device, it will not get the sound or the music of the music that is in the Instagram. So that is because that you are not uploading the reel. So you will need to upload the reel first and then only download the reel so that you can get it with the sound. Now there might also be some complications because Instagram does not actually allow you to download the music itself. So you can actually go ahead and then post this reel. Let me just post this, add an audio and then post it. And after you post it, you can let me just share this. Always share reels, and after you share this, you can download it. Now what you can do is, even after you've downloaded it, you cannot find the music, you can simply head over to your CapCut and then overlay or music or audio. After doing that, your videos will have the video sounds, and that is basically all for this video. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye, take care.